proportions. A ratio is a comparison of two or more numbers and their sizes in relationship to each other.
What?
An index of change is the quantitative relationship between two quantities that shows the number of times the one value is contained or is contained within the other.
In English, please.
Un índice de cambio es la relación quantitative. Stop shaking it. Entre dos quantitativos cual muestro el número de sueques por el final quantidad esta quantidad dentro del otro.
We pretend we don't know what she's doing. We don't. We have no clue what she's doing, but we like to make it obvious.
Guys, I'm about to leave.
Yeah!
So, to further explain to Gwen why and how ratios and proportions work, we're going to give an example. So here I have a half-foot gnome. He's not precisely half-foot, but we rounded him. Tips of the sunflowers, everything would just be too hard to put into account, so he's going to be around half-a-foot. Now here's my friend Freddie Highmore. He's precisely around 5'11", but we're going to round him up to 6 feet, just again, so we can have a bit more easier numbers to work with. So, if something's proportional, they're going to increase or decrease at the same exact rate. To find this exact rate they're going to increase and decrease at, you have to find the constant. And how you find the constant is an equation. The equation we use is k equals y divided by x. So, if we would, let's say we wanted to double both of these, they're going to increase. Let's say we want to just the gnome. We're going to double just the gnome. This is going to make it so we're going to have and find our constant rate of proportionality. So, he's half foot tall. So if we double him, of course this is not going to be precise, I'm measuring with my hand, but he's around to my hip, about this much of a difference. So, he's right here. So I'm going to use my foot to measure that. Now we have Freddie Highmore, 6 feet, around here. So now he's 12 feet, we have a 1 foot gnome. So to find our constant rate of proportionality, we're just going to do the same thing again. Thank you, Mr. Highmore. Thank you, Mr. So, there are many ways you can describe a ratio, including saying 1 to 12, or 1 colon 12, or 1, and just put it over top of each other. There are many different ways, but hopefully after explaining this, you remember the equation k equals y divided by x is going to give you your constant rate of proportionality.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, so how we start out this equation to solve the problem is we take the left side and divide it by the right side. This will help you guys find your constant, which is what you need to use to solve the missing values. So, for example, 7 divided by 5 is...
I don't know, it's impossible to do an equation like that!
It's 1.4, my love.
Oh, okay, so anyway. Yes, so k equals what?
You forgot to do the 14.
1.4, bestie.
Oh, 1.4, bestie.
Yes, so now that you know k multiplied by x equals y, you do know what x is, right?
Where did the x come from?
So the next one is 19.6.
Yes. Yes, my job here is done.
Help! Thank you, lightning bolt.
Here's the mail, it never fails. It makes me want to wag my tail. When it comes, I want to wail.
Problem solved. The problem is solved.
We solved the problem.
So everything is awesome. 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 Awesome again.
Awesome. Awesome.
So with these,
Are your parents off by chance?
for the next scene.
Right now.
I'm free! Don't touch me! Gosh, why is it touch
just both start punching.
These children suck.
What?
The last one is 88.2.
Go.
The last one is 88.3. Redo that.